YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to another video. I hope y'all having a blessed Sunday. We have another install video for you guys. Today I'm going to be switching out my mirror caps. I had a little incident where a gate came down on my mirror cap and scratched it, so I decided might as well go ahead and swap them out. I decided to go with these mirror caps on eBay. I'll drop a link in the bio, and while I'm at it, I'm just going to go ahead and swap out the turn signals to some sequential smoked ones. I also have a pair of extra turn signals. These, I have no idea where I got these from. One day they just showed up at my door. I tried tracking all my cars to see where this payment went to. I can't find anything. But I have this one has a crack right here. I'm pretty sure it still works because this will be hidden behind the cap. And these are the ones with the blue startup sequentials. So if you guys, or if anyone of you want this, so just feel free to reach out to me on IG. Alright guys, this is the little scratch I was telling you guys about right there. So I'm trying not to take the glass out. So what I'm gonna be doing is trying to pry it from the top right here. As you can see, there are two clips, one the top left and top right. So I'm just gonna pry myself around until the cap comes off.
Three hours later.
Alright guys, so the kits, they come with these pry tools. They're bullshit, just throw them away. Go ahead and get yourself some pry tools. If you don't have pry tools, you could use some flatheads. These, they're gonna snap. So just do yourself a favor, get it. As you can see, the two clips are right here. So you just want to snap this one open, snap this one, and the mirror should just pop right off. Alright, now that the cap is off, there's one clip you're gonna remove. We're gonna be reusing these screws on the new cap, so I'm gonna be taking that off. just like that. It's all in. Snap everything in place. The mirror goes back in, and just repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, the car is all done. I wanted to show y'all a quick video. I'm gonna give y'all a quick B-roll of how it turned out. It's crazy. Just this small thing changed the car up. Changed the whole look of the car. It's a lot more aggressive. So now I gotta get this piece. I'm gonna change the bumper, so I'm not really worried about this right now. But definitely, I plan to change the fender soon too. But for right now, this gotta go. I'm gonna get all the trim blacked out. Everything chrome going. Chrome gots to go. But once more, thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment if y'all got any questions. Feel free to reach out to me. Until next time, stay blessed.